Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just generate static images, but creates lifelike medical videos, showing everything from the rhythmic contractions of a beating heart to the intricate dance of neurons in the brain. But here's the catch. This isn't about making pretty visuals. It's about capturing both the spatial precision of anatomy and the temporal flow of physiological processes. It's a complex puzzle, and traditional AI models have struggled to solve it. Enter FEAT, the full-dimensional efficient attention transformer. This breakthrough architecture is rewriting the rules of medical video generation. Let's dive into why it's a game changer. First, let's unpack the problem. Current AI systems rely on transformers, a type of neural network excelling at pattern recognition. But when it comes to video, which has three dimensions, spatial, the image itself, temporal, how things move, and channel different data features, traditional transformers falter. They're like chefs using a single tool for every step of a multi-course meal. They can handle spatial details, the what of an image or temporal dynamics, the when of motion, but they often miss the channel interactions, the hidden relationships between data features. It's like ignoring the secret recipe that ties everything together. Plus, these models are computationally heavy, akin to a supercomputer trying to cook a meal in real time. And when it comes to denoising, removing random noise to clarify video, they rely on one-size-fits-all filters that don't adapt to different noise levels. FEAT solves these challenges with three groundbreaking innovations. First, it introduces full-dimensional attention. Think of it as giving the model a 360-degree view. Instead of processing space, time, and channels sequentially, FEAT connects them all at once. It's like a chef who can simultaneously adjust temperature, timing, and seasoning, ensuring every element harmonizes. This allows the model to capture the interplay between spatial details, motion, and feature interactions in a unified way. Second, FEAT slashes computational complexity. Traditional transformers use self-attention, a method that's slow and resource-heavy, like solving a puzzle by checking every piece against every other. FEAT replaces this with two smarter tools: weighted key value, WKV, attention for spatial and temporal details, and global channel attention for feature interactions. Together, they act like a well-organized kitchen, efficient, fast, and precise. Third, FEAT adds a residual value guidance module for denoising. Instead of using a generic filter, this module analyzes the video's content and noise patterns in real time, like a detective tailoring clues to solve a mystery. It adapts instantly to different noise levels, producing cleaner, more accurate results. The results? FEAT, the lightweight version, uses just 23% of the parameters of the state-of-the-art model Endora, but matches or outperforms it. FEAT, the larger variant, beats all competitors across multiple datasets. It's like having a high-performance sports car that's also fuel-efficient. So why does this matter? Medical videos are critical for training AI to diagnose diseases, simulate surgeries, and predict patient outcomes. With FEAT, we're not just generating better videos. We're empowering AI to understand the human body in ways we've never seen before. But FEAT is part of a broader revolution. Researchers are also exploring models like Endomamba, which simulates endoscopic videos for surgical training, and RWKV and Mamba, which streamline video processing with efficient architectures. Techniques like optical flow alignment ensure movements look natural, while diffusion models refine details by iteratively removing noise. The future of medical AI isn't just about images. It's about capturing the full dynamic story of the body. FEAT and its peers are paving the way for smarter diagnostics, more realistic training, and life-changing innovations. Next time you see a medical video, remember, behind the scenes, models like FEAT are turning complex data into clarity. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into AI's role in medicine, hit subscribe and let us know what topics you'd like to explore. Stay curious.